security system users, Brandon with Custom Alarm Gear. Today we are going to take some time to learn about some user functions of the Tuxedo Touch Keypad. One great function to have on the Honeywell 6280 keypad is the chime feature. In order to enable the chime, we're going to go ahead and go to the what I call the gears icon, display an audio setup. We're going to go ahead and have to enter our 4-digit master code. On this screen you'll see a couple different things. You'll see voice mode, you'll see chime mode. Here's where you can have it chime as such. Voice mode will actually enunciate which zone is being opened. As you'll see, we have voice and chime both on. It's now saved. In some instances, you may see your Tuxedo Touch keypad with a not ready fault display at the top. What this essentially means is you have one zone open. To check that zone, we're going to go ahead and enter the security option, go to more choices, show zones, and this will display all the zones that are on the system. If you can see right here in the top corner of zone number 4, panel door, you see a little icon with X highlighted in orange. That is the zone that is currently open. I know for a fact that my panel door I do have open currently, but let's go ahead and say we want to go ahead and arm the system with that open. I'm going to select that zone. I'm going to click bypass selected, enter my 4-digit master code. The system is now ready, but it can be armed while being bypassed. Go ahead and arm it to, let's say, night. Code accepted. It's now arming to night with that one zone being bypassed. Let's go ahead and disarm it here. That is how you bypass a zone. Today we're going to take a few moments to learn how to add, change, and delete user codes on your Tuxedo Touch keypad. Remember, there are some instances where you may have a remote interactive service such as TotalConnect or Alarm.com. We do prefer that you actually make updates in that method, but we're going to go ahead and show you how to do it on a keypad as well. Now we're going to show you how to add, change, and delete user codes. From the home screen, we're going to go ahead and select the gears icon in the bottom left, choose System Setup, and then User Setup. As you see on the right hand side, there's Add User, Edit User, Delete User. Let's go ahead and add a user. This is asking you for your master code, which ours is 1, 2, 3, 4. As you'll see, partition 1, what kind of user they would like to be set up as, the user number, as well as the username. We're going to go ahead and say that they're just part of partition 1. We'll change them to a normal user. We'll put in their user number as, say, I know their user number 9. Then I'm going to enter that user's name. We're going to make this Anna's user code. And then we're going to put in our code, which let's say is going to be 5678. So now you'll see that Anna, user number 9, has code of 5678, which is a normal user. Let's go ahead and save that. Anna has been saved. So let's say we want to edit Anna. Let's go ahead and select her, go to Edit User, enter our master code to gain access. Let's say she wants to change her code to 6543. Go to make the change, hit updated, and save it. Now what if we want to go ahead and delete Anna? We can do that by selecting Anna's name, clicking Delete User, entering our master code, and then confirming that we do want to delete Anna. We're going to select Yes. As you can see, Anna has now been deleted as a user. Thank you for taking some time to learn about your Tuxedo Touch keypad.